In this tutorial, we will show you how to transport electricity across the city using transmission lines. To create one set of transmission poles, you'll need 2 flexible drinking straws, colored tape, and 4 binder clips. The long flexible wires and a couple of 2-pin components are needed for the circuit. Each drinking straw is used for the body of a transmission pole. Later, these wires will be strung across them to connect the battery and an LED. We will start out by creating a T-shape by cutting off the top of a straw and taping it to the long end with a narrow strip of tape. The next part is purely decorative. We use long strips of tape to cover the rest of the T. Colored duct tape is easy to cut or tear, and it works really well for this project. Finally, snap a binder clip onto both sides of the transmission post. You can use different colors to distinguish the positive and negative voltage rails. Next, we're going to set up a simple LED circuit using wires strung over these transmission poles. To get things set up, we already drew 2 extra component pads extending from the battery into LED modules. Next, we anchor the transmission poles in front of these pads with tape. Notice that we aligned the red binder clip with the positive battery terminal, and the blue binder clip with the negative side. Then we'll place a 2-pin module on the empty pads. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Once we have the post set up, we can complete the circuit using the wires. Start by threading a wire through one side of each transmission pole. And then plug each end of the wire into its respective 2-pin component. You can simply repeat the process on the other side. When both sides are complete, you can actually see the light turn on. Current is running from the battery through short circuit scribe lines, and then through the transmission wires to the LED, and then back to the battery. Transmission wires can be used anywhere in the city model where you want to get electricity over a long distance. Or you can use them to jump over another structure in the city, like the voltage park.